Hi and welcome to a new guitar tutorial. In this video we're going to take a look at how to play the intro of the song River, a song by Eminem and Ed Sheeran. This is a really easy song, so if you are a beginner, this is perfect for you. So take your guitar and let's begin. The intro of this song is based on power chords. If you're new to the guitar, a power chord is a way to play chords where we use our index finger and we can put it on this song we're going to put it on the 4th fret on the 6th string. Then we take our 3rd finger and we put it on the 6th fret of the 5th string. That's what we call a power chord. You can also do power chords using the pinky finger just under your ring finger. And normally you only play the strings that you're holding down. And then it's just moving the same position. But on this song, in the intro, we only need those 2 fingers, okay? Then we take the right hand and we're going to play with the thumb the 6th string, and at the same time with the index we're going to play the 5th string. We play that at the same time. Okay? And there we have the first power chord of the intro. Then what we do is we keep the same position in the left hand, and then we move it that our index finger comes to the 7th fret. Okay? First chord, second chord. The first chord is 3 beats and the second chord is 1 beat. So it becomes like that. 1, 2, 3, 1. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay? Now when we come to the 3rd chord, we have to move the hand until our index finger comes to the 9th fret. But this time we're going to lift the index finger. So we just keep the ring finger on the 11th fret, 5th string. Just like that. On the right hand we play both strings anyway. And that's the 3rd chord. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. And then we come back to the 2nd chord. There we have the first part of the intro. So the first part is 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, let's try together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and. Perfect. Now we go to the second part of the intro. It starts exactly on the same way. 2, 3, and 1. Until there, it was exactly the same. But now, instead of coming back to the 2nd chord, when we come here to the 11th fret, we are going to move the ring finger to the 13th fret. If you don't know, an easy way to count on the guitar, on the 12th fret, normally we have a different kind of mark. If you are playing a Spanish guitar, the body of the guitar starts on the 13th fret, so your last fret is the 12th. Or where you have 2 points or a different kind of mark. Okay, so we take our ring finger to the 13th fret on the 5th string. But this time on the right hand we are going to play only the fifth string, only that note. Okay, I show you. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and okay, that's the second part of the intro. I'll show you again. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now I show you the first and the second part. 1, 2, 3. Second part. Okay, let's play along together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. The third part of the intro is exactly the same as the first part. So now I'm going to play the first, second and third part of the intro. First part, second part, and third part. Okay, you got it? Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Perfect. And now we have the fourth and last part of the intro. It starts also like the other ones, with the first chord. The second chord is also the same, but now instead of moving our ring finger to the 11th fret, we are going to move it back to the 7th fret. Okay? I show you. 1, 2, 3, and when we come to the third chord there, on the right hand we play both strings. Okay? I'll show you the fourth part again. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the intro. I play the whole intro and then we try to play it together. Okay, are you ready? Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated with new videos. And if you enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up. I see you in the next video. Bye.